Ulitin ko po, paulit-ulit na lang tayo rito para mas maintindihan natin.
Your Honor, that is a big lie. That is a big lie.
Meron kayong 2,000 na pinatay nyo.
It is not,
Let's
Mr.
wait a minute.
Chairman,
Pinatay nyo negosyo.
if I may,
Wait a
Mr.
minute.
Chairman.
Let me finish and then let you talk. 2,000 ang tinanggalan nyo ng hanapbuhay, pinatay nyong negosyo, and then kapalit ng 2,000, isang kumpanya lang ang inyong binuhay.
Philippine Lottery System. Kaya hindi na nga po kasama yung PGMC and the POSC on the traditional, on the usual over-the-counter. Kaya po, we really have to be specific kung ano ang hiningi namin ng opinion. Kasi magkakasalabat po yan. Iba po ang context, yung backdrop po ng sinasabi nyo na yung sa birthday panalong hinihingi namin.
Precisely. I see what you're saying. I know where you're coming from. But you should understand, ito pong sulat ng OGCC na ipinadala sa inyo, I hope you have a copy of this. Very clear po. Plain and simple. Ulitin ko po, paulit-ulit na lang tayo rito para mas maintindihan natin. Regarding launching of new games with a game proponent of an agent on an experimental test run basis. Yan na yung iloto.
Your Honor, if I may, iLotto po is not a new game. Existing na po ang loto natin. Yan po yung,
We're talking about the experimental electronic lotto.
it's a betting platform, Your Honor.
Betting platform, we're talking about e-lotto, electronic betting. It's a betting platform but still covered yun ng opinion ng OGCC. You know, Mr. Robles, the reason nang gagaliti ako rito because nakatanggap ako ng maraming complaint. The last time you weren't here kasi, I talked to several lotto agents, yung betting stations. Marami sa kanila mga OFWs, mga retirees. Nag-invest sila, bumuo sila ng pera doon. And now, mawalan silang trabaho. Mawalan sila ng kita. You didn't even consult them. Miss Evelyn Marking Javier, if I'm not mistaken, presidente ho kayo ng mga lotto agents.
Yes.
Were you consulted?
Yes, Chair. Nasarado na po yung 2,000 na outlets po.
Ano po?
Nasarado na po.
Ano yung sabi po nasarado?
There are 2,000 lotto outlets na nasarado na po dahil nabigyan na po ng termination noong October 16. 2,000. I mean, nag-start po yung 300 tas yung remaining pong 1,600 plus.
So ilan po lahat ang nasarado?
2,000 po sa
2,000. Ano pong binigay na reason bakit po sinara po yung 2,000 na lotto outlets?
Wala pong machine daw.
Wala nang machine. Yun ang pong binigay na reason. Pero were you consulted? Na-inforbahan po kayo na magkakaroon kami ng e-lotto
Hindi po.
na posible maapektuhan ang ilan sa inyo o marami sa inyo?
To my understanding, Chair, with the previous administration, they had plans of having that. Parang pag-aaralan pa po. We were just surprised na ang bilis-bilis lang po siyang na.
So yung previous administration, before Mr. Robles became the general manager, so meron na kayong narinig na plano.
May plano po. Oh.
But you, pero nakonsulta kayo.
Opo, alam po namin.
Alam nyo. Ang kinagulat nyo na lang, all of a sudden, boom, natuloy na.
Opo.
Okay. Mr. Robles, you might want to answer.
Thank you very much na in-acknowledge you na it's not under my time. Kung nga po ang tatanungin niyo po, it should be 11,000 outlets. Had it been under my watch, Mr. Chairman, hindi ako papayag sa 6,500. No? That is a fact. Hindi po under my watch to, and I even asked my managers, why did you allow? And sila po ay kausap ng GM. I'm surprised why they did not raise that up. They are very close po with the past administration. So, well, they have the reasons for not saying it. Tama po sila. Hindi po dapat. But ang trust naman of that administration is to modernize the 25-year-old system. Now, dalawa pa nga na laging nagbe-breakdown. So, tama po kayo. Hindi ho dapat pinasarayan at marami pong nawalan. At even po kami sana, we could be getting more income had the previous administrator not implemented that. When I came, awarded na po yan. May timetable na po ang implementation.
Ms. Javier?
To my understanding, kasi I was there during the opening, What's this, the PCSO then said that they're going to initially order 6,500 because katatapos lang po ng pandemic, hindi po yata kakayanin na ganun kadami yung order nila na machine. So we were just wondering, I mean, with due respect po, no, GM, nung time po na nag-order po ng machine na 6,500, kayo na po yung nakaupo.
Your Honor, that is a big lie. That is a big lie. Our records will bear us out. I will have to correct this because this is a very, very big lie. And if she's under oath, Your Honor, she will be in trouble.
To my understanding po, I mean, okay, granting po na na sila yung nag-order niyan. Pero during your time, alam niyo po na maaapektuhan yung 2,000 na agent. Sana po, gumawa na lang din po kayo ng paraan na tulungan po kami na wag pong masarado yung 2,000 na yan. Kaya po, masama po yung loob ng mga lotto agents kasi parang dahil po dyan sa iloto, parang hindi yun na po tinulungan yung mga iba na makapagbukas po sila. Kasi dati ho, pre-termination lang, sumulat kayo, tapos ginawa termination, tapos nag-stoppage. From the stoppage itself po, dapat hindi na po kayo nag-issue mismo ng termination na kayo po yung nakapirma. Doon ho yung talagang alam na nila na talagang wala na pong aasahan. Kung stoppage po yan, kung mag-aantay po ng machine, sana hindi na lang po sila terminate.
So ano nangyari po doon na Miss Xavier, doon sa 2,000 na
Sarado na
napasara?
po sila lahat. Sarado na po lahat yung Yun nga po yung humihingi sila ng tulong sa akin na kung maaari po na mabigyan sila ng chance na makapagbukas ulit. Ang problema po, wala po talagang available na machine. Pero open naman po nang mag-apply ulit. Pero ang problema po, mag-aantay nga po sila kung kung kailan po magmamachine. Pero to my understanding, hindi pa po yata nag-uumpisa yung procurement or do sinasabi po ng mga branch managers na magkakaroon po. Saka before po, umasa po yung mga ibang mga agents po na hanggat wala pa pong machine, yung po ng mga lumang machine namin na ginamit dito sa Luzon, ang ipapagamit. Ang alam ko po, parang dati pumayag nga po na yun ang gamitin. Hindi po namin alam kung anong nangyari, kung bakit. Kasi kung I already approached also po the OGCC, that's why I was late last time in coming here. Nakiusap po ako doon kay Attorney Quevedo na kung pwede pong i-extend po yung ELA para po hindi na muna ho sila magsarado at pagbibigyan sila hanggat 4 months. Ang pakiusap lang niya po sa akin na i-inform ko daw po si GM na mag-apela lang para magkaroon po ng time na wag sila munang masarado kasi naaawa.
So you're not
sila.
granted your request for an appeal?
Kasi po, ang hinihingi lang po ni Attorney Quevedo that time is kung pwede daw pong sumulat sa kanila ng letter po si GM or si Chairman Kuwa na humihingi po sila ng extension para magkaroon po ng time kung merong o-orderin na machine or something. Pero sinabi ko po yun kay AGM Arnel Casas na yun po yung request ni Attorney Quevedo na kung pwede gumawa po sila ng sulat na nire-request po nila na ma-extend po yung yung ELA para patuloy pa po sila na makapatuloy po na makapagpatay at hindi masarado yung 2,000 kasi naaawa rin po siya dun sa mga agents na yun. At that particular time, parang nag-follow up ako, parang sabi po, hindi naman po talaga nangyari na nakagawa po ng apela.
Kasi Mr. Robles, 2,000 na mga lotto agents, sinibak nyo, tinanggalan nyo sila ng hanap buhay, pinatay nyo in short. Pero yung kita sana napupunta sa kanila, napunta ngayon sa Pacific Online Systems Corporation. Meron kayong pinatay na pagkarami-rami, 1,000 ang pinatay ninyo at isa lang ang inyong binuhay kapalit ng 2,000. Ito na nga yung online.
Mr. Chair, that is baseless, I would tell you. I'm sorry, but I think the figures will show that...
Who are you to say it's baseless?
Mr. Chairman...
Wait a minute. 2,000 na talagang given na yung numbers na sinasabi niya, exact numbers yan, 2,000 ang natanggalan ng hanap buhay. Am I right, Ms. Xavier?
Yes, Chair, you're correct.
So meron kayong 2,000 na pinatay nyo.
It is not...
Let's
Mr.
wait a minute.
Chairman,
Pinatay nyo negosyo.
if I may,
Wait a
Mr.
minute. Let me finish and then let you talk. 2,000 ang tinanggalan nyo ng hanap buhay, pinatay nyo negosyo, and then kapalit ng 2,000, isang kumpanya lang ang inyong binuhay. Go ahead, Mr. Robles.
Hindi po ako may gawa niyan, Mr. Chairman. Dumating po ako awarded...
under your watch.
Mr. Chairman, if I may. If I may, Mr. Chairman, it is not under my watch that the PLS was awarded 5.8 billion po yan. It is a modernization of the lottery system, Mr. Chairman. I came, it was already on the
But you
implementation
were the one
stage,
who
Mr.
asked for an
Chairman.
opinion from OGCC, and OGCC gave you an opinion na saying na hindi.
Hey, where are we, Mr. Chairman? Are we on the Pulai?
Yes, later na yung pula. Mr. Robles, dalawa ditong issue eh. Una, nung nagkaroon itong Pacific Online Systems Corporation, pinatay ang 2,000 mga lotto agents. Pangalawa, nung humingi kayo ng opinion sa OGCC at sinabihan kayo ng OGCC ng opinion na kailangan humingi kayo ng permiso sa Office of the President, and yet you did not. Attorney Francis De Valle, kanina pa kayo nagbabasa nung binigyan namin kayo ng kopya. What's your opinion on that letter?